added up. It's so small. Okay, number 6. Really long. Eyes beeping. Hi. We can go. Right, let me record this. Floor 7 and floor 0, then back to floor 6 where I exit. So the bumps. Then back to floor 6. Oh, that's a beautiful elevator. I never seen that before. Because I do like these elevators. These are beautiful. Floor 6. Right now, come up again to floor 7. Looks like it's beautiful. Hey, hi. Okay, floor 7. Then get back to floor 0. Here's the outside. And go inside. Okay, floor 0 is now going down. It looks more beautiful. I like to ride these elevators. Right here. And the numbers are literally orange. Maybe I don't know what brand because it's unknown. Okay, it's about level 3. Continuous press. Plus floor 0. Okay, now let me press back to floor 6, which is here. Alright, and now travel time. Let me go to back to floor 6. Yes, yes.
Yo le dije que no comiera tanto.
Goodbye. This is where I'm living. This is where I live now. Over there. This brand is called Delma S.A. Anyways.